Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. That's my cat, JC. I guess she's making a guest appearance. This style was kind of like spontaneous, kind of sort of. I kind of thought about it. I just didn't know when I was gonna do it, but I just got back home from the gym about like a half hour, 45 minutes ago. So I'm like, you know what, let me just get this style done, because I'm sure if you watched my last video, I was not feeling this retwist whatsoever. I think the next day I ended up putting just some like regular twist in, but I wanted some more pizzazz. So as you can see, I've already started doing the perm rods. So what I'm doing is I'm literally just taking the twist out and spraying it with water and retwisting it, and also adding some mousse to it, just because my locks are getting like thicker. It's a texture ID Mousse if you can't see it, but my locks are getting thicker and they don't really hold the twists that well just with water alone, and I want the style to last me some time. I already finished more than half my head. I really just have the top left, so I'm just gonna get started. But I have the purple perm rods, the white ones, and I also have the orange ones. I'm trying to use a lot of mousse, y'all, but sometimes I get a little bit heavy-handed. I really like this mousse. It smells really good, and I've never had issues with it being built up in my hair or like leaving any kind of residue or flakes. So I guess this is the ultimate test of this mousse, and see if it ends up leaving flakes or anything in my hair. And this honestly is not even taking me long at all. Before I started recording, I probably was only doing this with my hair for about 15 minutes. Oh, the only thing that's in my bottle is rose water, so I will link that for you guys below too. I don't like how floppy this one is. I might switch it to a purple one, because I don't think that's really gonna give it much of anything. So when you're securing the perm rod, you want to make sure that it's as close to your root as possible, because that's what's going to keep it from like flopping back and forth. It's going to stay put. Okay, all done. Now what I'm about to do is just throw a bonnet on top of this, because I'm not gonna blow dry it. I don't really want to use heat on it. I just want to let it air dry overnight, and we're gonna see what it looks like in the morning. Okay guys, it is the next day. It's definitely been well over 12 hours. So like I said, I did not use heat to dry my hair. I just let it dry overnight. So it's time to take these bad boys down and see how it's looking. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. I don't know, but we gonna see. Sleeping on them honestly wasn't that bad. I've slept on perm rods so many times being a natural, so that didn't really bother me that much. But I am gonna have to fix these edges up because they're looking a little messy. Oh, one of them came out. Darn. Oh well, what can you do? What can you do? Cute. I'm really upset about that one that came out because it's definitely not curly at all compared to the ones I'm taking out right now, but whatever. There we go. That's better lighting. I'm a little crooked, but that's okay. Y'all know me. Y'all should know by now. I like that natural lighting. That sunlighting. I love it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take not much that I have left of my shea nuts, vitamin E, and jojoba oil mixture, and just put a little bit in my palm so I can see that. Just to add some shine, you know, some glisten. Oh, Jesus. Okay, these front ones ain't it, y'all. They're not it at all. I'm trying to make it work, y'all. Like, I really am. I didn't want this to be a fail. Okay, guys, so I'm not gonna say that this was a fail because quite honestly, I like how short it looks. Like the style, you know, side part, one side behind the ear kind of dealy thing that we got going here. Like if I were to go back to being a loose natural and big chop, like I would want my hair this length because I've had my hair this short before and I actually really liked it because it was super easy. Styles were easy because I don't really have that many options anyways, but I just like the look on my head and my shape of my face, so it works out. But I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at it. I was mad at first, but now I'm not really mad at it. So I'm gonna say that this was a success. It's giving me like 50s, 60s, shoo-wop, doo-wop kind of vibes, you know? Let me go get my mirror and see what the back looks like because that might determine everything, really. Yeah, I'm not really mad at the back either. I'm not mad at the back at all, except for this one that's just hanging. Do your chain hang low? Do your lock hang low? Do it rumble to the flow? But you know what? I'll just try to stick it somewhere. It's giving me auntie vibes, and I'm an auntie, so I'm really not mad at it. I'm actually feeling it now that I'm looking at it more. I like this. I can work with this. This I can work with, y'all. I'm really excited, and I'm sure you guys can tell I'm excited because my face cannot hide things. It just cannot hide things. My face will tell you exactly how I feel. I'm just one of those people where, no, you're gonna know exactly how I'm feeling based off of my facial expressions. But I'm really happy about this. I'm gonna fix up my edges a little bit and call it a day. But y'all, oh, I just messed up the parts that I just fixed. But y'all, this is cute. No one's telling me nothing. No one's telling me nothing. It still feels like I didn't take out some of the twists, but I think it's just how my hair feels. Yes, this is the result. And honestly, I wasn't even sure this was gonna be a video that I was gonna put out for y'all. It was very random, so I'm really excited, even more so that it worked out. If you guys have ever tried styles with like perm rods and whatnot, I would love to know how your experience was, if it was a fail, a success, or if it took you like 10 times to get it right. Either way, I want to know, because y'all, whether it's a fail or not, I'm still gonna share stuff with you guys, because this is all a part of the journey. I just want to get feedback from you guys, experiences from you guys, because that is how we get to know each other. That is how we grow together. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.